Morning, YouTube. What up? It's your boy Zeke. Back with another one. All right. Let me show you what we're working with. Tight closet. It's gonna be a tight one, but you already know we're gonna get it. So I'm gonna start opening it up. I'm trying to get this door off. It's right there next to the unit. Didn't want any scratches on it. Alright, I'm gonna get this high voltage and low voltage disconnected, also the gas disconnected. Alright, so we got high voltage and low voltage disconnected. Now we're going to get the supply. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to bring my, alright, exhaust intake. I'm gonna go get my unit. This thing is mastic, screwed in and mastic, so I gotta get this off just to be able to get to the screws. This one's starting to peel off. All right, come on. All right, let me get this off. I'll get back with you. I can see they put screws around the whole thing, and I can't even get to it. So I gotta bust this out best way possible. Alright, so this food pipe and this line set is definitely in my way. I gotta get my saws off, cut this. Exhaust intake. Alright, so we got the line set loose, so we can get this out the way. Give us a little more room to work in here. Alright, so we still got these screws up in here. I took the saws off, I was able to cut a few of them. These ones in the back. It's not gonna work. I gotta take this coil out first. Alright, so we got the coil out. I think we can cut these screws now. Oh, hey. Yeah, I think we can get this with the saws on now. And then, yeah, keep it going. Alright, so we got all the screws out. They taped it in mastic on the sides and then pushed it in. So I gotta try to get this out. All right, so supply is all the way loose. Coils loose, coils out, blowers out. They screwed the return, they screwed everything, put it in. So I'm just trying to get it loose so I can get it out. Oh my goodness, this is kicking my butt first thing in the morning. All right, let me keep going. Okay, it's finally loose. Man, as you can see, it took sawzall, crowbar, snips, everything. I had to beat this thing up, something vicious just to get it off. Yo, my shoulder's killing me. Oh, all right, I think she's loose. See if we can pull it out. Fuck. Man, this thing whooped my butt. Finally got it out though. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, okay. Let's get this coil cabinet off and go from there. Right, we're down to the platform. We got our filter, drain pan. We're gonna cut this, make sure we got everything the right size. And bring the unit up. PVC was a 1/2 inch, so I gotta cut it at the bottom, extend it, bring it over. Yeah. All right, let's keep going. All right, we got our new PVC ran. Got it extended out. We got one, it's a 90%er, so we need one for the bottom. Definitely one for the main drain. This is old. There's water in it, so it's nasty. We get this filter cut out. Let's see what size my filter hose access is gonna be. And then, yep, go from there. Let's go. All right, we got our filter rack transitioned nicely. Just have to do something right here, but that's fine. But that gives us a little more room. I'm gonna clean this up. See how much space we have. Go from there. All right, y'all, getting my filter on this guy. We gotta take, just gotta take the bottom and front, and then see if we can get it up in here. Hopefully it fits. Whew. so we're trying to get this up in here. Look like it's gonna fit for the most part. About to get this wire, got the high voltage connected. Got the 90% drain connected, because y'all know how that can be. What? Trying to get that out with something else. I'm wondering if I should put an elbow. Double elbows. Ain't no one going up. I'll make that work. Have no choice but to. Because I need a vent coming straight up. It's going to be tight. That's going to be tight. Alright, so let's push this up in here. Alright, y'all. We finally got this thing up in here. Boy, that was tough. Y'all already see what I'm working with. I had to pre-do everything. I had the high voltage in, low voltage. Drain had to be done. So I can't get back there. It's over with, it's a wrap. But I can get to that 90% drain right there, and I'll make that work. Float switch, you go right there. Alright, let's go. Let's get her back together. Alright, we got this coil up here. About to put this on. I'm gonna make sure it's level. I'm gonna get the silicone gun, silicone around, because I'm not gonna be able to tape. Make sure it's sealed. Alright, so we just siliconed around the coil, because I'm not gonna be able to get tape up in here. So we got silicone all around. All four. Let's get the coil on. Alright, so we got the coil on. I got it screwed into a beam, only beam I could find. But I'm about to take that screw out, drop it on here. Yeah, screw it from the inside. All right, so we got it screwed up. I'm about to tape it up in the inside. Go get the mastic, get this front transition done, and then we'll be ready for flute pipe. Get it straight. We can't really go up with it, none. It's on the downside. And then this is gonna have to catch an elbow. It's gonna catch an elbow, 90, and another 90. Now to catch that. Everything else will be gravy train. Get this transition. So I'm bringing a piece of sheet metal for both of these. This transition down there, this front part. Installation, I just cut that back. So that'll cover that back up. Nice. And then, yeah, all right. Let's tape it up and go get the mastic and sheet metal. All right, so we got our gas done. It's on. Gas is ran. This is nice and sealed up. Now I just need to put mastic on the outside. And we're getting there. So we're left with low voltage, high voltage is ran. Put a transformer. We're putting this electric filter. So we need a transformer so we're not stealing power from the unit. What else? So let's do low voltage. And then we will insulate this line. And then hook our filter up. And then flute pipe. And then drain. We're getting there. Alright, so low voltage is done. Ran through. High voltage is done, transformers added. We got this electric filter put up in here. Nice, let's button it up. YouTube, what up? It's your boy Zeke. We done. Let me show you how it turned out. All right, so it turned out really nice. We got transition for our filter access, electric filter. Got our gas right here, shut off. 90%er, drain. Yeah, nice. Done. Alright, if y'all like the video, leave a like, comment, all that good stuff. Subscribe to the channel. 1.